Hi, my name is Sam, and today we're going to deep dive into TXT because I love torturing myself. So I'm gonna try and stan TXT because I hate myself and I hate my bank account. So far, the only K-pop artist I listen to is BTS, um, and I kind of wanted to keep it that way because I know me and I know how deep I can go with my buying shit and watching shit and loving shit. So here I am. Um, and yeah, one of the artists that I've discovered music wise is TXT. Mainly because of their song Crown being featured in K-pop and public videos. Um, so my knowledge of TXT is limited. Here's what I know. I know there are 5 or 6 members. I know they're under the Big Hit umbrella. They're part of Big Hit Entertainment. One of the members is named Kai, I think. Um, there's they have like one CD out, one album out, which I don't know the name of right now. TXT I think stands for Tomorrow by Together. Um, they have yeah they are they are about to have a comeback. They've released like 2 trailers. And that's it, I think. So out of the album they released already, or EP or whatever it is, I know 2 songs. I know Crown and I know Cat and Dog. I haven't watched their music videos. We're gonna do that today. Um, we're gonna listen to the reminder of the album because I haven't listened to that either. We're just gonna deep dive into it. I'm gonna see, maybe we're gonna start us off with like an introduction video to TXT if there's such thing about it. Look, we're just gonna start right away because I want to get into it. I'm just gonna see if there's like an introduction to TXT members. Okay, an introduction to TXT. This is 7 months old. Is that okay to do? Or this? We're gonna do this. Maybe? I don't know. Okay, this has 500k views. We're gonna do this one. Okay, here we go. That's Crown. I love Crown. It's such a good song. I love it. I hope this doesn't spoil the music video too much. Okay, wait. Okay, should we pause? Wow. Okay, we should pause. Okay, Subin. Okay, he's the leader and the vocalist. He was born in 2000, so he's 5 years younger than me. He's a lot taller than I am. And he's Korean. Okay. Okay, Choi Subin, maybe? What does foodie mean? Oh, he loves food. Oh, okay. Loves bread. Oh, that's so cute. But that's so weird. Is that like a thing that your eyes swell when you eat bread? Okay, oh my god. That's Kai. I know that. Ha! See, I know something. It's such a good part. Their dance practice I watched of theirs, like they are so good dancers and they're so in sync. It's incredible. I can't wait to watch their music videos after this. His voice is so sweet. I don't know that song. I know that I've read this title. Okay, I love him. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna attempt to pronounce that. He's a rapper, vocalist, and dancer. Okay. Born in 1999. Okay. Also tall. They're also tall. He's also Korean. Okay. Great. They all.
미스터리 박스 꼴찌 연진입니다.
Oh, baby.
상큼해.
Oh. Are there subtitles? Okay, no. Punny. Oh god. Oh my god. Okay.
불러가지고 여기 성적표가 있는데 거기에 1등 누구야? 랩 1등 누구야? 춤 1등 누구야? 노래 1등 누구야?
최현진이요.
그게 나야.
Aw.
이게 바로 나야라고 하면서
우와 진짜 너무 멋있어 보이네.
So, like, they're all talented.
친해지다 보니까 애기 같고 귀여운 형.
Okay.
우와 진짜 잘생기셨다. 우와 진짜 잘생기셨다.
What are they doing? Is that like...
하지 말라고요. 진짜.
Oh no, the poor child.
열어주세요. 야, 왕 하나 넘겨. 컴온. 이거 왕 아니에요.
All their voices are so great. Oh, I want to protect them all from all the evil in the world. Okay. Also not gonna try to pronounce this. He's a vocalist and dancer. Okay. Born in 2001, so he's 18. He's also Korean. Okay. Not as tall as the others.
제가 진짜 항상 텐션이 높거든요. 사실 지금
He kind of sounds like Taeyang. Sorry. Shouldn't compare.
후행? 다양하구만. 왕 하나밖에 없어요.
I don't know what that means. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. What is he doing?
잠시만. 진짜 무서운데? 넣으세요, 여러분, 넣으세요.
Ew. What is that? What the fuck?
속도라면 내일 아침에 맞출 수 있어. 근데 뭐 빨판 같은 게나 지금 온다니까 자꾸. 그걸 리액션하지 마. 비빔면 나는 거. 공주 상락.
Wow. Same. Ew. I relate. Okay, that song sounds interesting. We're gonna listen to it later. Maybe there's even a music video for it, so we're gonna listen to that. Feeds the fans along. Oh, that way. I was like, what do you mean? It's like just his face. I follow them on Twitter. No, I think their company. I think I follow their company on Twitter. Okay, let's... Taehyun? Maybe? Vocalist, okay. 2002. Is he the magnate of the group? The others were all born earlier. He's also Korean. We'll see. This is like the 4th member, right? He's a... Oh my god. Oh my god. He's... Yeah, they're all adorable. Oh, that's so nice. The start of that song was so good. Oh, he's the one that starts us off. Okay. That's Kai. I love Kai. Okay, I'm just gonna say it. I've seen like 3 pictures of him and I love him. Sorry. I don't know who I am. No one bother me right now. I'm trying to teach myself stuff. He's a major okay.
명언을 자주 듣는다고 멤버들이 명언 제조기죠는 약간 행복하게 살기 위한 그런 명언을 준비해요. 내일의 걱정은 내일의 나에게 맡기자. 그럼 잠은 잘 자고 걱정은
성숙하고 철이 일찍 든 것 같은
굉장히 열정 넘치는 친구고요. 제가
Aww.
배울 점이 많은 친구인 것 같습니다.
It's out now. Make sure to check out all the tracks from the EP only on Spotify.
Oh, I will. Oh, you're so cuddly. That's Kai. Okay. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce this part. Vocalist, visual. Oh, he's the. Oh no! He's 2002. That was. He's 17. He turned 17 this year. He's Korean American. I didn't know that. I love him. I saw like one clip where he's with Hobie. Hobie is my bias in BTS. Where he was like teaching him about like something with taking out like or what's in this. I don't know, but I've seen like a video of him and Hobie and I instantly was like, okay, if I were to stand TXT, I think he would be my bias. We're about to see. I don't know much about any of the other members. I literally only know that who he is and that his name is Kai, so I'm really interested. The emoji. Oh,
그런 사람이 돼서
I don't know why I'm tearing up. Oh, I don't know who that is.
핑계하지 마.
한번 들어봐.
Is it one of the other members? I'm sorry, I didn't.
좋은 거야.
아니 완머리.
같기도 하고 무대에 서서 뭔가 사람들의 마음을 움직이고 감동을 주는 되게 멋진.
I'm trying. Holy shit. Ow! Oh! Oh no. Save the children. He looks so good in yellow.
First album, The TXT Star, is out now.
Okay, this kind of helped. At least I've read all their names now. I probably won't get that. There's Subin. That's how, I don't. Some of them I don't know how to pronounce. Kai. Taeyang. Listen, I'm just gonna do a music video. There's a. What is this? What is Snap of a Star? That's what the EP is called, right? There's a choreography version. There's a lyrics video for this. We're just gonna start with the ground music video because I've been holding off on this for so long. Iconic. Okay. I'm excited. I'm really excited to see this because I've heard a lot of good things about it. I love the effects. Okay, I can't tell them apart yet. Wait. You think I would have learned with BTS? Let's skip to this again. I love the song. That this one hoodie. Okay. Aww. They are so adorable. Aww. That hoodie is so good. The choreography. It's honestly, he's so cute. I love them all. I'm literally. OT5 already. I literally He's so cool. Who's that? Who was that? All their clothes are so colorful and nice. I just feel like I'm being wrapped in a blanket. It's so comforting for some reason. Holy shit, that's incredible. Now they're doing the... Oh, I love Kai. I think he might be the one for me. Oh. God, he's so good looking. They're all so handsome. Oh, I love them. They're so colorful. That's so cool. All the effects, the different settings. That was so good. Holy shit. The visuals of this and the like all the different settings and the effects and their talent, and I want this hoodie. I want this hoodie. Please, someone give me this hoodie. Okay. That was incredible. It was so worth waiting for and putting off. We're gonna now watch Cat and Dog, because why not just as well. The first time I listened to the song, I hated it. I thought it was the worst song I've ever heard in my life. I don't know what I was on then. Listen to it again and it's incredible. I love it. I think music like this, although some people might definitely dislike a song like that, because it's really playful, and also like with the barking and everything in it, that might not be for everyone, but for me, you always gotta appreciate the art for what it is, and if you just see the song for what it is, like, it's great. You can party to it. You can, like, the choreography to this is insane. So I'm just really excited to finally see the music video to this. Okay, please. Okay, I'm intimidated. Oh my god. What is happening? Oh, I didn't know that was his part. So ridiculous. Oh. Oh. Stop. Again, it's so... I love this concept. They're so colorful. Is he fluent in English? Maybe we'll find out later. Because that's Korean American. It's such a fun song. Oh. Their clothing and their choreography and this whole aesthetic! Oh my god, that's so sweet. Are you driving on the bed? So ridiculous, it's so good. Oh, I like this style. It's so great. Their style, it's so great. Aww. They're so cool. Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Is there Kai with a dog or a cat? Oh! That part's so good. So great. The ending thing is so great. Bye. Oh, that was so good. Oh. Okay, what is happening? Oh, that's so cute. That was adorable. That was adorable. That was so good. That was, oh my god. Like, I'm constantly amazed at their everything. I don't even know what we're gonna watch next. Should we listen to let's say the rest of the album? Oh, so it's called The Dream Chapter Star. Okay, so we're just gonna search up this first. Wait, let me put this back on. We're gonna search for TXT Blue, or that's the one with the lyrics video that we saw. There's a dance practice, okay. We're not gonna give anything to this. We're gonna do this. If it exists, why not do it? Okay, there's English subtitles. But I've never heard the song in full, only the clip we saw in the first video. I love the start. That's just a lyric video, really? Their hoodies are on point. Always. Oh. I do. Okay. Okay. Oh. True. That's so cool. It's such a cute song. There's so much happening all the time. I'm a little overwhelmed. What is Kai wearing? The bridge is good. It's all so cute. Aww. Minecraft! Okay. Aww. Jungkook. That's what I'm gonna like it as well. It's definitely more chill than Ground and Kid and Dog. Okay, it's definitely more chill. Like, it definitely, in terms of how the song is, it definitely is more like Ground than it is Kid and Dog. Kid and Dog is a little different in the genre, how the whole music is just built and done. I'm okay. That was great. Next one, okay, I know Ground. I'm just looking at the track list on Spotify, is Our Summer. And I've never heard of this song in my life. So maybe they also have like Our Summer. Is that it? Is that one? No, Tea Time. I think this is like their Bangtan Bomb, right? What is this? Should we watch this? Are these all songs? I've never heard Nap of a Star. This is Ground, Talk. I don't know what Talk is. What is Talk? Is that like another song? Wait, let me search on. That's their first album. Then they have like the EP or single Cat and Dog. And they have Our Summer Acoustic on Spotify. So I don't know what Talk is. I want to listen to Our Summer. And we might have to, if there's not. This is not an official music video, right? Is it? No, it's not. There's a dance practice. Okay, let's do this. We don't need captions for this. Okay, Jeonjun. Wait. Jeonjun, Subin, Bomgyu, Taeyeon, and huening Kai. I like this already. Oh, I love this. Getting goosebumps. Oh, that's different than I expected, but it's great. Oh, I love like summer songs. This really fits their whole thing, their whole aesthetic, their whole concept. I like this. This is great. They're all adorable. I love this part. It's so chill. I wonder what the dance is like to this. We're gonna check out the dance practice. Maybe not today, maybe another time, but definitely gotta watch the dance practice to this. What is that? What was that why is Jungkook suddenly attacking me in the middle of this video? Okay, that was great. That was an incredible summer song. So the only one we have left is Nap of Star. It says Nap of a Star. Okay, Nap of a Star. And there's a official music video to this. So we're gonna watch that, of course. Okay, I'm excited. Let's turn this back on. Who's singing this part? Oh, I love this. I'm gonna start crying. That's so sweet. Aww. That's so cool. The way this is filmed, oh my god. That's so artistic. I didn't expect this at all. Wow. Okay. It's so cool. Okay. Woo. Ew. I didn't like that. What's going on? Don't hurt yourself. What are you doing? This is intense. No. literally an angel. Oh, oh no, that's so sweet. I don't know what's going on, but it's sweet. I was like, was this released at Christmas? This feels like a Christmas special music video. Oh god, I'm definitely falling asleep to this tonight. That was so incredible to listen to. That first album of theirs, or EP, or whatever it is, those 5 songs were all so diverse in how, like, they have like slower songs and more upbeat songs, poppy songs, songs that are more like more like rap. Like, that just makes me anticipate their comeback so much more, because it's kind of like, I hate comparing, it's kind of like BTS, where you really don't know what you're gonna get music wise. So I'm just, I don't know what to say. I'm shocked that this is that good. So yeah, that was incredible. I'm gonna stop right here. Maybe make a part 2 of this if anyone's interested. We just watched a lot. And I'm gonna process that. I'm gonna watch the music videos a bunch of more times. And finally listen to the entire EP. If you have any suggestions of what I should maybe check out of theirs next, please leave them in the comments. I'd be happy to, because I want to watch more of the boys. And yeah, I'm just gonna see you guys the next time. Maybe also with another part of the series. If you want to see me get into like Twice or Stray Kids or ATEEZ or Blackpink or any other band that I'm casually listening to at the side, please let me know. Because I have no self-control and I will absolutely fall down a hole of any K-pop group you're gonna throw at me. So we're gonna see each other next time. Bye!